Good morning guys. It's a beautiful day today. Yesterday I didn't do much vlogging. Maybe you could tell, and if you watch yesterday's video, I was playing around with that little drone, guys. We put the drone in the sky. Got a few little footages, not much. I may or may not post it. To be honest, I ain't gonna post it because it probably would give away my location, so that's why I'm not gonna post it. Today is a beautiful day. I'm heading down to the salon. I'm getting the salon cleaned and, you know, have it presentable. Today, not much work doing today. Today is gonna be a chill day. Yeah, another chill day. My virgin there from Florida, so not much vlogging going on. There's nothing I could do with the Peppers project at the moment. I'm waiting on permits, pretty much. I'm waiting on the approvals. We made all the corrections. The architect made every correction he possibly could, unless they come up with something else. But at the moment, all the corrections they asked for was corrected and submitted. So hopefully we'll be good by next week. So we are just waiting on permits. As far as the grease trap goes, we do need that building permit number in order for him to apply for the grease trap permit. He checked with them yesterday, and that's another waiting game. He can't do anything until we get that permit BPN number. So it's just another waiting game. So nothing could get started, guys. Nothing, not even the grease trap we could put in. So in the meantime, I'm just shopping for equipment, and just shopping for everything. It might take a little bit longer than I expected. However, I knew it was gonna be a wait on permits and stuff, but I didn't know it was gonna be this bad. You know what I'm saying? I would say in maybe a month, 2 months, and I could get all my permits. It's been a month and a half, almost 2 months, no permits. So a lot of things I might have to go renegotiate even or deal with Circle K. I was asking for more than 5 month build out. I was asking for, once we get the permit, then the clock starts, the build out starts, but they didn't want that. So we agreed to 5 months. So at the end of the day, they're lenient. So I'm gonna revisit that, and just renegotiate that part of it. They're willing to work with us. So once we get closer to that time when we get the permit, then I could determine how much time I need for build out. Then I could go renegotiate that time with Circle K. But anyhow, I'm on my way to the salon. I'm gonna get that cleaned up real quick and then check back in. I ain't trying to talk too long this morning. I need to go to Walmart. My birds haven't been eating, so I haven't got that bird food. The last of it, they ate the last of it like 2 days ago. So good thing they're in the wild. They could fend for themselves. They eat, find worms and stuff like that. But when I give it the bird food, it's just easier for them, and they come there and eat and get a belly full and go sleep or something. But yeah, stay tuned, guys. I'm gonna clean the salon and then go from there. Check in. Today is gonna be an interesting day, guys. All right, stay tuned. Alright guys, so I'm in Florida guys. I got up this morning. We decided to come to Florida. Came to the beach. Santa Rosa Beach. So I'm trying to find the beach actually. Somewhere on that side behind those buildings. Yeah. I think the beach access is down there somewhere. Yeah, I think the beach access is that way guys. That way. Or it could be that way.
From the, yeah. The water flows.
Take a look guys, we're on the beach. We're on the beach. Morning guys. It's a beautiful morning here in Florida. Let me get over here. Yeah. Nice and sunny. Look at that bird right there. I don't know what kind of bird is that, but see him right there, somewhere right there. But yeah guys, so came down for a quick break pretty much on some business, but I ended up yesterday down here on the beach. It's a beautiful day. I went in the water yesterday, so I got my swim trunks and my towel more dried off. But yeah, we in Florida, pretty much. Put these to dry. They're kind of wet. Yeah, so I'm putting the towels to dry. Made me some tea. Didn't do hot water this morning, guys. I did some ginger tea. So yeah, do some editing.
Here, that way we could put them in place and make
editing yesterday's video.
Before, you know, certain things like the oven, I would like to get the oven in here just in case that doorway, you know, just to have it physically fit through the door instead of measuring stuff.
Yeah, so today we're just gonna relax on the beach a little bit. Gotta go to Walmart and get some water. Last night we ate some Thai food. Got here, left Georgia probably around 12. It's a 5.5 hour drive, so we got down here probably around after 6 with the stops and everything. Straight to the beach, you know. Beach is pretty much just right behind that building right there. It's not far, like 2 minutes walk. So went to the beach, went in the water a little bit. It got dark, so I came up, went to dinner. did some editing. We tried to fly the drone last night, but I think this area is a restricted area, so it wouldn't, you know, we can't take off. So we're gonna probably go over to the beach and see if we could fly it. But yeah, yeah, it's a Saturday, so not much to do. Just chill and go to the beach and chill, sleep. Alright guys, so stay tuned. When I get back on the road, I'm gonna see if I could get some footage, so stay tuned. Alright guys, so I never get figure on talk this morning. Good morning. It's not morning, sorry guys, it's evening. It's evening now, but I never got to say good morning this morning. I did it on my phone. So guys, I'm here in Florida, Santa Rosa Beach. So here on some business and a little vacation at the same time. So hold on guys, I get to pick up a pizza. Alright, yeah, so I was at the beach all day pretty much. Beach was good. Got pretty hot out there real quick. It was raining this morning when I wanted to go, but then it got sunny and got hot real quick. Look at these places, guys. They're just building those as well. Rental property, all rental property. Got a beach access over there somewhere, right here. Anywhere you see these little bridges right here, they're all beach access to go to the beach. In between, you know, the houses and the apartments. Give you a little view. Looks like you got houses over there, mansions over there, you got beachfront dining right here. 38. Got lots of things to do down here. Yeah, so yeah, beach was good. I'll probably go back down there later today. It's kind of hot. It's super hot over here. So down here, so you know, I just went to the beach for a little bit and then chill out, and then went back home, took a shower. Now I'm picking up pizza. Go around, see if I can get that parking right there. Or maybe I could park around here. There is no parking over here. I'm gonna go around, guys. Ice cream shop right there. Maybe we could come later on, get some ice cream. Alright, I'm gonna park right here and go grab these pizza, guys. Yeah. So I just took a 2-day. I'm heading back up tomorrow to Georgia. tomorrow will be Sunday, and then I'm gonna head over. I gotta finish, you know, get started on Monday. See, yeah. I don't have much to talk about, guys. More than I took a mini vacation. I was in Georgia Friday. I left Friday, spend the day here Saturday, and then going back up tomorrow. Don't have much to say. Drinking some hot tea, ginger tea. Alright guys, let me go grab this pizza real quick. This pizza. Alright, so we're on the second floor. We're going to the second floor inside, guys. Alright, so this feels pretty cool. So you got ice cream over there. Ice cream. This place is pretty cool. It's got a upstairs section. It's actually upstairs. The dining is on the second floor, looking over the middle section right there. It's like it's in a plaza. So not bad. This pizza is hot, guys. It's burning my hand. Got pizza for everybody. Alright, pizza secure. Yeah guys, so beach most of the day today. I'm gonna head back over onto the beach later on today when it cools down. The sun goes down late over here, guys. It goes down probably 7-8 o'clock before it gets dark, 8:30. So I'm gonna, you know, cool off a little bit in the AC and get something to eat, and then I'll head back over to the beach later on tonight. You know, 6 o'clock or something. 7. So yeah, it's pretty nice down here, guys. If you guys ever deciding to take a trip, come to Destin, Santa Rosa, Miramar Beach, anywhere down here is the same stretch. This road right here will take you all the way to Panama City Beach. So it's between Panama City all the way up to Destin. It's you know, pick a spot and, you know, come on down. You know, it's nice. It's nice over here. You could go golfing if you want to do golf, beach all day. You know, you can ride around on a golf cart. You know what I'm saying? You can do whatever you want to do, pretty much. It's a nice, you know, nice little beachfront, you know. Pizza place is real close to where I'm staying, so I'm good. Got a little gas station right there. We'll fill up right there before we leave. Yeah. But yeah, alright, I ain't got much to say. I'll put something together for today. Got some drone shots as well, so we'll see. Alright guys, we'll check back in. We rolling, zip lining. Harbor walk. Some fish head. Yo, what that man? You can pay it, you can pay it. Julia tried to say they always get feed, you know. You can go for one of them something